Good morning, students. So, we have in the last class we completed the chapter, okay, but what I feel is that we need to go through the chapter once again. So, we are going to do a quick revision. Maybe we will be doing this in two videos. Let's see. So, the first thing that I want to revise is the parts of the plant and their functions. I have already explained you these things, but here I feel this animated video will help you to understand what exactly is the root, what exactly is the shoot, the flower, buds. So I'll keep on explaining while the video goes on. So let's have a look.
Roots. Root is the part of the plant that grows out of the seed first. As the baby plant grows, the outer hard shell of the seed becomes soft and roots emerge from the seed. It takes up water and minerals from the ground to be used by the plant. Stem. The stem too grows out of the seed. The stem is the backbone of a plant. It provides support to the plant.
Here I would like to just add one thing that we did root system and shoot system. So one important point here that you need to consider is in the shoot system there are many parts, but stem is considered as the most important part of the shoot system, right?
Leaf. As the stem grows, many leaves emerge on the plant. A leaf is the kitchen of the plant. It makes food for the entire plant.
Because I have explained you this, because of this concept that plants can prepare their own food. What are plants called as? Are they primary producers or are they consumers? Yes, you have guessed it right. Because the plants are producing their own food in their own body, it is called as primary producers. See, now here is where we are connecting the dots, right?
Bud. A bud is a baby flower covered by special leaves. These buds open up and become flowers. Flower. A flower is the most beautiful part of a plant that helps it to get seeds. As the flowers grow, they're pollinated and become fruits. In these fruits, we can find the seeds of this plant.
Now I would like you to look at the life cycle of a flowering plant, and I want you to understand how germination happens through this video. It is quite good and explanatory video.
Plant. The life cycle of a flowering plant begins with a seed. A seed is a baby plant. It contains nutrition necessary to start the life of a plant. Necessary to start the life of a plant.
So you do remember this point where I told you that the baby seed contains food and a small plant. Remember? So this is what exactly what they are saying, that it contains the nutrition to start the life of a plant. And here in the seed itself, you can see that there is a small baby plant. So there is a baby plant in the seed, and there is also some food in the seed which is required for the seed to grow. So the nutritions are already there in the seed, right?
Seeds can survive over the winter and even for many years. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes and can be covered in shells, fruits, or cones. The next stage is germination. Germination is when a plant starts emerging from a seed. When seeds get proper light, water, warmth, and minerals, they start germinating.
This is exactly, we did a question in the note that what are the things required for germination. So what are the things that are required for germination? Light, water, warmth, and mineral. Remember these 4 points. They may come as question, they may come as filling the blanks or anything. Process of germination requires proper light, water, warmth, and minerals.
A seed will not germinate without all these. After germination, plants start growing. Plants need sunlight, nutrients, water, and air for their survival and growth. When a plant becomes mature, it gives rise to flowers, and flowers produce seeds.
Alright, now coming back to how the plant is divided. As I told you, the plant is divided into this is the root system, and this is the shoot system. So I told you before also that root system is the one that lies below the ground. Okay, and if in the baby plant also, when you plant a seed, the first thing that starts growing is the roots. Okay, and the shoot will grow later. Just remember, this is an important pointer. Alright, now I've already explained you the functions of the root and the functions of the shoot system. Now, different types of taproot. Remember what was taproot? Taproot was where the center is strong and there are small hair-like branch roots coming out of it. Which are the taproots? Generally the ones that you can eat. Example, grass, wheat, rice, marigold. These are all examples of fibrous roots. The example of taproots are rose, mango, and brinjal. Alright. What are taproot? One thick root and the small hair like protruding coming out from it. Okay, and which are these roots actually? They can be rose, brinjal, or mango, carrot. All these are taproots. What about fibrous roots? Fibrous roots are branched out. There is no central root. Okay, which type of roots are these? Grasses, wheat, rice, marigold. All these are fibrous roots. So they don't have any such thick middle stem like this, you know. And yeah, all right. So let's have a look at the notes that I will be also uploading. Okay. So we have done all the 4 questions. These 4 questions were there in the textbook. Okay, behind the textbook. So I have already penned down the answers for you. So what a child can do in EVS on a regular basis is go through all my videos because I have completed the first chapter, and also start writing these notes. See, these are quite extensive notes, and they will take some time for the child to even complete these notes. It will take some time. So now your job is today's job is of course to view the video, and these are the notes that I have. I will be putting this up on the web page on the Google Drive. Alright, let me just write down today's date. Um, this you will be doing tomorrow. So I'm just writing this. This is your classwork. Your classwork will start from here. Alright, and please accept my apologies. This is tomorrow's homework. My apologies. This is so these are your notes. Okay, so you will be writing your notes, and what is your homework? Your homework is complete the class notes. So I expect you to complete it till here, like all the 4 questions plus this question here. Okay, this is a multiple choice questions. No need to write the options. You can simply write this, choose the correct answer. Okay, which of the following anchors the plant firmly to the soil? The answer is root. Right, same these way you will just write one single answer here. Okay, so this is your homework for EVS. Thank you, students. Thank you.